To us at Volvo Cars, safety is always at the core of everything we do. Our commitment to help and protect in traffic has been with us since the start in 1927. And with the XC40 Recharge, we have created one of the safest cars on the road. The complete body structure, the crumple zones, the seats, and the car restraint system. Everything interact to help protect everyone inside the car if an accident cannot be avoided. With electrification, the combustion engine has been removed. And with that, we needed to rethink the car's front structure. The redesigned front structure is designed to protect the occupants in the car, but also to help reduce the effects on the occupants in the other car. Being an electric car, the XC40 Recharge also features a large, high-voltage battery. The battery is safely embedded in the car's floor structure, and it is protected by its own unique safety cage, which helps keep you and the battery safe. But the best way to stay safe is always trying to avoid an accident. So with the XC40 Recharge, we introduced our new driver assist platform. This system features the next generation of cameras, radars, and ultrasonic sensors that help keep a constant outlook, day or night. It can detect vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and if needed, it can alert you, apply auto braking, and even help you steer away to avoid a collision. And to help keep you in control, this technology can provide gentle driver support from standstill up to highway speeds. This new system is also prepared for future innovations that will make your everyday driving easier, more relaxed, and more safe. The XC40 Recharge is there to support you, and if necessary, to help protect, just as you would expect from one of the world's safest cars.
Our pure electric XC40 Recharge really takes driving to a new level. The electric powertrain is at the heart of the driving experience. The dual, high-performing 408 horsepower electric motors provide a really inspiring and refined drive. The instant torque of 660 Newton meters means you can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.9 seconds. And you can enjoy smooth linear acceleration at all speeds, in silence and with zero tailpipe emissions. No compromise, just a truly inspiring drive. Front and rear electric motors also give an even weight distribution, and together they provide all-wheel drive stability in all conditions. The power is instantly distributed between the rear and front wheels for maximum traction and stability on all roads and in all weathers. The electric powertrain also offers the benefits of regenerative braking and one-pedal drive. Instead of using the regular brakes for braking, the electric motors are used to slow down the speed. At the same time, they recharge the battery to provide a longer range. One-pedal drive means you only use the accelerator. Press for acceleration, release for braking. This brings a more relaxed drive in the city and a more intuitive control. The battery is large, so you don't have to charge it so often. The high-voltage 78 kWh battery gives you a projected range of over 400 kilometers. This makes it the perfect electric car in the city, as well as for longer distances. The battery also lowers the center of gravity, stiffens the body, and gives it an even weight distribution, and it helps to reduce road noise. Together, all this makes the car even more fun and comfortable to drive. When you need to fill up the XC40 Recharge, it goes quick and easy. At the 150 kilowatt fast charging DC station, for example, you can fill up the battery from 0 to 80% within around 40 minutes. And if you charge at home, you can charge the battery easily overnight with the 3-phase wall box. The Volvo Car Gent gives full control of battery status and charging.